Hemsaw is proud to introduce the VT140HM 60 manual vertical production bandsaw that miters up to 60 degrees. Standard features such as power tilt, digital readout for the angle, and powered guide arm are all valuable time and money saving features that also make setup quick and easy. The VT140HM60 has a cutting capacity of 22 inches horizontal by 27 inches vertical at 90 degrees, 22 inches by 20 inches at 45 degrees both directions, 22 inches by 13.5 inches at 60 degrees left miter, and 22 inches by 13 inches at 60 degrees right miter. The saw uses a 1.5 inch by 20 foot blade and has a blade cant of 4 degrees permanent arm tilt. The saw is driven by a 10 horsepower, 3-phase motor that can be set up for 220 or 440 volts. An important feature that distinguishes Hemsaw vertical saws from other manufacturers is the location of the drive gearbox. It's in the top of the head, safely away from chips and coolant contamination for extended life and low maintenance. This is accomplished using a counterbalance located on the bottom portion of the arm. The saw uses a reliable 5 horsepower pressure-compensated variable volume hydraulic system for years of reliable service. The new C-frame design combines smooth and accurate arm mitering capabilities for a stable cutting platform necessary for cutting both structural materials and more difficult alloys. The swing-away control console is conveniently located on the front of the saw. This allows the user to easily control the cut while seeing the progress clearly. The power tilt feature places the saw column to any angle up to 60 degrees right or left of 90 degrees. The mitering capability is an easy adjustment, powered from the operator's console. This allows the operator to set up for a different cutting application with ease. As part of the powered tilt feature, the LED digital angle readout on the control panel allows the user to change angles quickly and accurately. The full stroking main vise clamps at the touch of a switch and holds the material in place to ensure accurate cuts. The wear plate on the vise is heavy duty and easily replaceable. The clamping pressure is easily adjusted from 0 to 1,500 pounds. The forward cut stop is mechanically linked to the vise and automatically adjusts with the vise opening. Blade speed can be adjusted with an infinitely variable speed drive, which allows the user to adjust blade speed anywhere from 75 to 400 surface feet per minute. The saw also has LED blade speed readout that is located on the control console. The powered guide arm is powered from the console and provides optimum blade support as material size changes. It is positioned 90 degrees to the work and is height adjustable for better blade control to ensure square cuts. The powered blade tensioner maintains proper blade tension at all times during the cutting process. Changing blades on vertical saws is done in minutes with the use of the powered blade tensioner. A shaft-driven blade brush is standard for positive removal of metal chips that lodge in the blade gullets. This system ensures a cleaner blade, more accurate cuts, and prolonged blade life. The blade guide system incorporates side and back blade guides that utilize carbide inserts for long wear, stability, and maximum blade support. The ECT, Electronic Control Traverse System, allows for complete control of cutting rate and cutting force during the cutting operation. This control has the ability to store up to 99 specific combinations or jobs of force and rate for different cutting applications. A set of idle non-lifting rollers are on each side of the saw base to help move material before and after cutting. The saw has a totally built-in coolant system with sealed coolant pump with coolant that is dispensed through a flex tube nozzle to flood the center of the cut. A cutting fluid cleanup hose is provided for machine washdown. Like all Hemsaws, the workstation is equipped with a safety cutoff switch. This allows the operator to closely monitor the cutting process and quickly stop it if needed. The saw will automatically shut off if the blade breaks. The saw has a lockout-tagout feature that is used to disable the saw operation during maintenance. These features are available as options. An optional full-stroking second main vise on the opposite side of the blade from the standard main vise is used for additional clamping. An optional swing-away top clamp can be added for vertical clamping of structural shapes and when entire mill bundles are to be cut. The optional patented cut watcher system monitors the cut for squareness to a preset deviation value. The system shuts down the saw when the preset value is exceeded. This is a must for production cutting. The optional powered chip conveyor removes the chips in a sideways motion to each side of the machine into a chip bin. Other available options include manual or automatic spray mist lubrication system, blade saver system, manual hand crank chip conveyor, power raised lift-up rollers, laser light system, stock tables, and discharge tables. So, for cutting materials at angles of 60 degrees in either direction, the Hemsaw VT140HM60 is the choice of professionals seeking fast and accurate cuts.